and it all falls down, yeah, and it all falls down again, and it all falls down, yeah, and it all falls.
I'm upset. 50,000 on my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check. I'ma always take the money over.
Alright, hey guys, good morning. As you can hear, it was raining this morning and it's not now. So yeah, but it looks gloomy outside. I mean, I could show you outside, but then I'd have to get up off the bed. Ugh, and I didn't want to like show you my face, so I got this black screen that I'm gonna put something over. I don't know what I'm gonna put over it yet, but hopefully there's something cool over it. Maybe it's just gonna be a black screen. I don't know. But it's currently 8:44 a.m. I remember when it was 6, and I remember when it was 7, and now it's almost 9, so I feel like I need to get up out of the bed. But yeah, there's a party tonight that I'm possibly going to. I need to pick out an outfit, so I'm gonna take a shower and I'm gonna try on like everything I have in my suitcase. But if I keep staring out the window, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like outside. Ooh, yeah. So like, I don't know if you can see that big old black cloud hovering above us. Yeah, it's blurry, sorry. Focus, there you go. It's still looking beautiful as ever, but look at it, looks nasty. But anyways, I'm gonna go get ready, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys what outfits I'm thinking of trying. Anyways, bye bye. So it's still raining, if you can hear it. You hear it? I don't know. But this is my outfit for the day. I'm wearing closed-toe shoes because I just don't want my foot getting all wet and slippery and all this extra stuff. But I'm wearing something warm because it is still quite warm. So this is my outfit. Yeah. We're going into Port Antonio to get the rest of my paperwork done so I can get the things I was supposed to do yesterday. We're gonna go do them again today. Well, I did get some stuff done, but let me move my hand from the microphone. Yeah, so the things we were supposed to get done yesterday, I didn't really finish it, so I'm gonna go and get it done now. This is the outfit. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Go on. Keep walking. Thank you. So me and Dante are going down to the shop, aka like what you'd call a corner store. Yeah. Pretty. It was just raining so much this morning, and now it looks really pretty. Huh? Okay.
You've seen the tablet already, right?
No.
That's where. I want blue one and mark island something. Look one the corner.
I wonder if I look any more tan. You're too extra. Didn't I tell you to listen sometime and stop talk so much? Thank you. Alright, so this is a pretty tree. Very pretty. Alright. Come on. Come on.
Miss Uncle.
We're not walking that way, we're walking the short way. There's such a struggle. I have to use Instagram on my laptop because my phone won't connect to the Wi-Fi. I shouldn't be showing all these people without like their permissions, right? I don't know. But yeah, as you can see, I'm mad. Look at this picture. I'm like the struggle. At least videos don't open. Videos don't open without my permission, so I'm not mad. Alright. Oh, that's a nice picture. It's a very nice picture. Oh, Adekunle, this is a nice picture. Okay. Alright, bye. I really wanted to wake up at 5 and it's currently 3 o'clock. And I'm up here watching vlogs. Glamazante. I like watching Glamazante a lot. Octavia. But there I am. If you can see my hands moving. Yeah, I got the fan on because I've been sleeping. I like sleeping under the covers, but it's been hot to be sleeping under the covers. So if I have the fan on, then I can sleep under the covers. But anyways, I just came in for another check-in. Yes. I don't know what I'm gonna do today, and it's Saturday. Yeah. Alright, I'll be back. Bye bye. Hey guys, so can you see my highlight? What the frick was that noise? So I'm dressed and me and Malik are going to Ochi to link up with some of our friends. My forehead big. Whew. But Rihanna's forehead is big too, and Rihanna looks good, so. Malik! She made me walk all the way downstairs. Oh, I need to pee. Be back. Hey guys. So this is my outfit. Wearing a skirt and just a regular tank top. If you want to know where this top is from, go watch my latest haul video, cause yeah, that's where it's from. This is my catfish look. This is my leg. Damn. This is my damn. Thanks, Malik. Look at the plants. I don't know what some of these are called. Yeah. Today it's really clear. It's nice and windy. But the sun hot. Yes. You screenshot it yet? I think I'm getting better at this vlogger thing. I got better angles. Huh? Yeah, 39, 40, same thing. Malik, I think I'm getting better at this vlogging thing. Because my angles were looking so ugly. I think maybe, I hate when the highlight is so not blended. I think it's because I put on a little bit of makeup. Well, hallelujah. I'll not say it on camera. Alright, let's walk. Wait, look on the forehead. 5 egg. I don't like the color of it. catch you guys when I'm in the car or something on our way to our destination. It's almost like this is Malik's vlog and I'm vlogging Malik and she can't vlog me. Why Malik stay with you?
No, I'm not gonna.
Picture too?
The video.
Put me in enemy to the man's
No, you're not.
man feels fat.
Man, know them berry? I didn't think they made caskets that big, you know?
Eh?
I don't think they make caskets that big.
Make you look small.
Beautiful, especially the wood. This place is so pretty. I like these artworks. The lighting is very dark in here, so I'm so sorry, guys. But it's so beautiful. Ah, this one is so nice. They used charcoal for that one. That's beautiful. It's actually so beautiful.
Before we order, we can't people. We leave one and the last person that can run, isn't it?
Ano me? Yes, I was a track star, but ano me? Ano me?
No, but
Oh, it's so beautiful. This is where someone could propose to me if we're having a candlelit dinner at nighttime. Yeah. And the sun about to set, if they cut down the tree so we can see the sun, then you can propose to me right here. So I'll appreciate that. Oh, we need to sit down. He's like, he's getting all angry. Look, no man, look at this crystal. Oh Jesus, it looks like we're in a movie. I'm gonna put beautiful music over this and not my ugly voice. Oh, I need to get it over here.
I wanna go down.
It's so beautiful.
Could be the sauce.
Lost in the sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Gucci Mane, circa 2008.
What's this? What is this? What is this?
A limp one. You know, like a lot of things in life. You okay?
I'm fine.
Caught that okay.
You know, everybody can make birds like mommy. You're one of them. I know. My dad used to cook it
Daddy?
tonight.
And today, listing all the people who can cook. Yeah. Mommy can cook nice when she wants.
I've never eaten from ice butter.
She never does it often. She doesn't do it often.
I'm gonna eat by it.
She's always busy working. Hmm?
When you go cook?
Me?
Yeah.
I didn't come here to cook.
We know.
I come here to have people cook for me. I can relax.
I bet you can start starving. Oh, why? That's why I can start starving. How rude. Yeah, let's eat your time.
Why you have to bring it to the whole table?
Because we're just starved. Oh, like that?
Let's go. It's an official place. This is where we're coming now. Come out.
You let me start? No. Wow. Seeing the true colors.
I'm putting it with my phone.
Look at the pasta. You don't want any more?
No, you can take more. Tell me that you cook.
You want to switch it to fries? Let me check something.
Go ahead, man.
I wouldn't do that. You're almost done.
I'm busy with the fowl.
Lester, you're such a sweetheart.
No, I'm not, man. It's a heart, sweet.
Sharing is caring. The only constellation I know is the Little Dipper and the Big Dipper.
Likewise.
Makes me feel better.
Orion's belt, man. Where is it?
And then they'll start to come in with the Orion's belt.
That's the only thing
You know,
you know.
you can actually see Uranus from here.
You can see Venus from here as well.
Sure.
A competition?
Venus is the morning star, so it's the first star in the sky, and it's also the
Show me
brightest
Uranus,
night star.
Show me, Kai.
Uranus? Uranus?
Actually, it's not pronounced.
Set 50,000 on my head is disrespect. So offended that I had to double check.
Living the life of my dream, living it up with my team. Trusting on myself, me believe. Nobody make nobody tell you say you can't touch.